And welcome day 114 of my high school video journal. So today, honestly, I'm gonna talk about HTML and CSS and some of the IDEs I'm using. So the IDE I'm using is VS Code. The reason I use VS Code is not only because of its being so popular, but because of its AI features. I mean, they're insane. They do autofill. You can just write to Copilot and it literally spews out code for you, which actually most of the time works. Like for HTML, for example, there's a pretty decent 6-7 lines, maybe even 10 sometimes of starter code which you need, like doc type HTML, body, head. You can just write me the starter code for HTML and it's gonna spew out exactly what you need, correctly formatted. And then if you're done with all your code, and before you give the big run, if you're making a website, of course, you can ask it to do a whole debug check and it's gonna completely check. And if there's any problems, you can just click accept and it's gonna discard the bugged code and write in the new. That's one of the main reasons I'm using VS Code. It's very useful, very handy, and works very fast. And VS Code's definitely better than I forgot what JetBrains uses, but for most of my other IDEs, it's all by JetBrains just because they have some of the best ones like PyCharm and everything. I forgot the one which we use for Java. I think it's like Infinite. No, it's not Infinity. But anyways, I'll tell you all that another day. And except that, I was talking about HTML and CSS, I am mostly just working on learning the basics and making myself a starter website by using tutorials from multiple places, multiple videos, and same with CSS, trying to get the knowledge of every single thing I can do with CSS, like the ID, classes, and everything else. But yeah, that's gonna be it for today. See you guys tomorrow.